Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Vitas. First, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section, that is a URL section over here, type down log into Vitas. And after that, enter. And you have to click on the first option that says login. Just make sure that you click the correct website, that is Vitas Healthcare. And an interface like this will open up Vitas Healthcare. And you are simply required with your email or username. You can write any of them by your preference and also your password as well. And after that, click on the submit, and then you'll be successfully logged into your Vitas Healthcare. But if you have forgotten your password or want to recover your password, here's an option that says forgot your password in order to recover it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.